so fancy. Yeah, we are so fancy. Luckily, we ride in a nice, stunning carriage. Winter, why did you let us drive with Mindy and Mike? Well, we needed a ride home, and they were the only people who offered us a ride. Well, what if we get into an accident? What do you mean? Okay, what if we crash? We won't crash. No. So where are we going again? To our house? Okay. Come on. Whoa! Oh. Oh. What is the meaning of this? Yeah. You guys. Oh, I can't even recognize it. You guys are so not nice. You guys are so mean. Sorry? Yeah, we're sorry. But look, our poor carriage must be scratched. And now look what you did. You ruined it. Ruined it. Hey, where's Delphina? Come on, let's go find her. We'll be back with Delphina and see what she tells you. Oh boy. 5 minutes later. Are they coming? I don't think so. They're not back with Delphina. Let's just wait a little bit more. Another 5 minutes later. Where are they? Yeah, we've been in the car for a little bit. I guess they forget about us. Let's move out. Wait! Oh, it's no point, Zoe. They already left. Aw, man. Okay, well, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and comment. And in the comments, please let us know, do you think, they should say sorry for us to banging into us and we should go, follow them or something like that? So let us know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, bye! And also, we want to give a shout out to Daisy No-So. Well, bye, guys! I'm coming for you, Zoe! Bye, guys.